Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at ₹1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows three-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tuesday and avail your courses at affordable prices.
Whatever you liked about the course, about me, all that you have to write in few sentences in that. Okay? Either you or your parent can enter and then submit it. It is a Google form. I'll share that to you. Okay, so that's also important.
We registered to MindChamp.
Ma'am, is course over?
No, it will be over on 23rd.
Or some other teacher will be.
Ma'am, by 23rd, what would we able to do?
First, we'll try to upload our website on GitHub. We'll try using GitHub.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, can we upload our websites on Google also?
Ma'am,
No.
you said that you will share all the codes
Okay,
of
ma'am.
files that we have learned till date.
Ma'am.
So I shared, na? I shared everything.
Upload the file on Google.
MindChamp.
No, ma'am, you shared
I was
only
asking that we registered.
Okay,
to
okay, okay. Let me mute all of you now.
Ma'am, if we register to MindChamp for coding classes.
Ma'am, when will all the
or
classes
other
be finished,
teachers?
ma'am?
No, it's not like other teachers. So most probably I will be the one.
Excuse me, ma'am. Why can't we
Okay,
upload
ma'am.
the file on Google? Ma'am, can you hear
See,
ma'am, when all
I'll
the
tell
classes
you. Download all of these. And I am sending you the link also for feedback form. So fill that up. And it will be good if you fill it or ask your parents to fill it today itself, so that if you want to continue further, batches will be formed. So I have a capacity of taking 2 or 3 batches, right? So if more than that are formed, I will not be the educator, someone else will teach you then. Chances are that. So maybe, I'm not sure, but anyways, whatever you liked about the course, fill that in the feedback form. Whether you want to continue or don't want to continue, that doesn't matter, but first fill that feedback form for us. So I'm admitting all of you, but have you all got the file? Show me a thumbs up if you got it. Okay, download it. Good enough, fair. Today we'll try to load it on GitHub so that you can share the links with your friends and they can see it from anywhere. It's not necessary you need to call them and then show them on your machine. Okay, so that will be cool. Okay, so we'll do that today. Okay, let everybody join, because this requires a lot of small things, right? So if we miss any one of these, it won't work. Okay, meanwhile quickly fill up the feedback form. Done? Okay, I hope all of you enjoyed the course and learned a lot. No, it's not last class today, Ahana. Later on, we'll be switching on to checking how to load the site on GitHub, right? So GitHub allows us to provide us some space on server wherein we can put our few files, right? And it's not a paid one. So we'll start doing that. But first, since I was sharing the file, so I shared that too, the form as well. Okay, on to
recording in progress.
So you need to listen to it properly, right? Okay, So just let me share the sound. Okay, now see.
Let's forget about the internet and websites for a second. What is the first thing you need when you want to open a shop? A web hosting. Let's forget about the internet and websites for a second. What is the first thing you need when you want to open a shop? A piece of land to set up your shop and store your products. Right. Without this piece of land, your shop cannot run, as it won't have any space to store your products. Similarly, on the internet, your website is your shop, where you display your products. Here too, you need a piece of land to store your products, your website files. A web hosting company provides you this storage space to store your website files. Sounds interesting? Let's see how it works. When you buy your web hosting plan, the service provider allocates a definite amount of storage space on their servers. So when people visit your website, the computers connect to your web hosting provider's servers, where your website's files are stored and delivered to the individual users, and your website is shown to them. Isn't everything quite simple? So why not start now? Get your website online.
Okay. So what happened in this one was, okay. So basically when we are saying we want to host our website, by that we mean to say that we want our website to be visible to the whole world. We are not creating our professional website, and our file size is also very small. So what we do, GitHub allows us to get some space on the server. So we put our files over there, and once our files are there, and we link it properly, so it creates a URL. URL is basically uniform resource locator. Okay, the link to that file on the server. Okay, like our home address is there. अब किसी को address दे दोगे, they can just go and come. They can just come with that thing, right? With that address, they can reach you. तो इसी तरह से our files, if we want to get them public, we need to give the address. ठीक है, तो GitHub पे हम ये possible है हमारे लिए to put some small files and some small space. It's free to use. But जो domain रहता है वो GitHub का ही रहता है. That's not ours. But we can share that file to anybody and that link to anybody, and from like all of you can share it with your friends anywhere. तो वो कहीं भी देख सकते हैं उसको. And you can feel proud. Okay, we made it. Right? So that is done. So we'll try to do that. ठीक है, उसके लिए we need to go on to GitHub. Oh, you don't know my name. My name is Varsha Kaushik. Okay, Varsha Kaushik. I told it in the first class. After that, I haven't told. So maybe. Okay. So let's go on to. Okay, thank you, all of you. ठीक है, चलो पहले पढ़ लेते हैं, है ना? So we'll go on GitHub. So all of you go on to GitHub. I'll show you how to do that. अच्छा, इसमें I need to make you aware initially only कि when you're hosting, don't host anything which is obscene, which is wrong. We are here to study. जो हमने बनाई है बस हम वही डालेंगे. GitHub पे आप अपना account बना के and you're putting bad things, that will be shame to me. Mine is already I am already logged in. You go and create your account. So few questions will be there. Sign up करो. You guys know this very well nowadays, है ना? For 2 years you are doing classes, so you are more pro than me. So just create. करो, sign up quickly. Yes, it is safe. It is safe. It is used by professionals. It's not like, that's the reason I was saying कि इस पे कुछ उल्टा सीधा मत डालना, बैन हो जाओगे वहां से. ठीक है, you're using free space and then you're putting something bad, so they can do that. ठीक है, so whatever we have done, put that, and if you're creating another website, put that too. No issues. ठीक है, okay. So go and create your account. So once you are inside your account now, Once you are inside your account, it will come something like this. Are you getting it? Go on your GitHub. Okay, मैं कुछ और create कर, ये मैं इसमें logged in रहती हूँ. Another one I create. But उसके साथ problem ये हो जाएगा कि okay, let me GitHub. It's my already shared account ना, so अभी मैंने if I change and if I have forgot my password, तो there will be a problem. इसलिए मैं log out नहीं हो रही हूँ उससे. Are you in? Have you created sign up? अच्छा, you must get an email on your Gmail. जहाँ तुमने जो login दिया होगा ना, हाँ, go and verify it from there. Are you getting it? हाँ, यूजर नेम मेनी ऑफ देम आर टेकन. जैसे हम जीमेल क्रिएट करते हैं ना, मेनी ऑफ देम आर टेकन. तो ट्राई अ यूनिक वन. चैतन्य, वी आर ट्राइंग टू होस्ट अवर वेबसाइट ऑन GitHub. Okay?
Now, subscribe to Bright Duty course at rupees 1 per day only. Download Bright Duty app from Play Store and get the online courses prepared by competent and experienced teachers for different education boards of classes 6 to 10. Bright Duty courses are available for the subjects of Math, Science, Social Science, English and Hindi in English and Hindi medium. Bright Duty follows 3-step approach, that is learning, assessment and exam preparation. In learning, topic-wise video lectures with explanation of concepts and discussion of textbook examples and questions are available with the solutions. In assessment, topic-wise online MCQ test, practice assignments and chapter-wise question bank are available with the solutions. In exam preparation, previous year's question papers, sample papers and model test papers are available with the solutions. Sign up today on Bright Tutor and avail your courses at affordable prices.